He say he come say make they give am their number. They come say no, don't they give person their number, make him bring him number come. He come give am number. As I just dey hear all this story, my people. Me when even say I tired that very day, that on Tuesday, my belle begin dey turn me. Immediately now I call am that midnight, around almost 12. He pick. Now say where you dey? He say dey Benin. Now say where your permit to stay? He say permit to stay. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, this is your girl. This is the first time you just did get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I upload video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless. For this our channel now, Tori now with the talk and now Pidgin English will tell the knock our Tori for years. Also, we are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will save life, that will also change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save someone today. So in our today's story, we want to talk about that our brother. We don't make the video before. For people who never felt watch the video, I'll put the link for the description box so that you will click on, so that you will understand where the story from come. Because if you say we'll start to narrate this story from the beginning, this video will go too long and I don't want to make my video the long. Anyway, this video will stay long. Please, I just want more to watch this video till the end so that if you want to shook your mouth put, you will know how to talk put for this matter. And again, this matter, will finish for this video here. By the special grace of God, on Sunday, which is tomorrow, we will do our live. The brother will call in, then he will explain what really happened. Because if you guys can remember, when the brother come our platform, he can't ask for money, and many people donate money for this brother. So the plan of that money, it don't change. Not be me changer. And the brother na changer. So I can say, since the plan of the money don't change, I need to come tell people when it donates. Because to get money for Europe, not be my man. It's not easy at all. And people when it donate, they try. And I'll still use this opportunity to continue to they pray for people when it donate so far that God Almighty will refill their pocket for them. Because I can't say as the plan change, I need to come let my people know. So that people when donate money, una go call in on Sunday, una go decide on how una want una money. Like I said before, not be me change the plan. And this brother, the brother when he document expire, when he enemy frustrate for Nigeria, and I change the plan of that money. And wetin make am change the plan of the money, now make me they do this video now. And I they do this video now so that people go watch this video till the end, they go understand. Then on Sunday, they'll call in when the brother go there with their contribution. They will go know what to do next or the next step to do. So I want to explain how we don't work out since there so far, because many people don't they call, they want to know what happened. So now make me the first, they make this short video so that the video not too long on Sunday, we'll just go straight to the point on Sunday. So what really happened, we say after we make that first video, when we take beg for money, because when the brother come, due to the person when introduce the brother to me, now somebody when don't help somebody before for this our platform. So at first when this brother come, I ask and say, what do you need now? He can't tell me say he need money now, because the first visa when he take, when the document expire, he no see money take buy ticket, and that visa now 1 month visa and it don't expire for your hand. Then when you go back again, go meet they see me, they renew the visa for him. For Italian embassy, they come tell and say they no fit renew the visa for him for second time. He need to go legalize his document, and he can ask where they for the legalized document, the permit to stay when he expire. They come tell and say na Abuja, they for the legalize and na money, he no get money. Now make he come. I say okay. Since now money to legalize the documents when you want to go give Italian embassy people for them to give you re-entry visa and ticket money, now you define no problem. But I'm not too sure if this platform people go donate money for you, because it never too say when we just donate for one lady when we just go Nigeria when they go they sell akpu. Now say never too say, so I'm not sure whether if I make this video money will come out. Now he can tell me say anyhow may I make the video, anything if he come out for him, he go see rich and take do money. He can say I will try, we'll see what it go happen, but I'm not too assured say you go really see all the money wey you dey find. He can't say no problem, I just try for her. Due to the person who introduced her to me, I can't say okay, no problem. Now I make the video that I can't beg my lovely and beautiful people when they did this our platform say may they help this our brother. And really, people really come out, they help. This story, I will just try because I always they talk and say anything they do, I dey want me they transparent because I don't want to say tomorrow it can't be like say one secret day when we say I not talk. That's why I would just try to be transparent in everything because I don't know what will happen tomorrow for this matter. So my people, after I make that video, people will be say they get good hearts, when God go bless, they can't they donate. When they can't they donate, we can't get about 200 for hands or 2 something there about. Then I can't call this brother. I can't tell and say now what will be your first step? He can't tell me say now to go Abuja and go legalize the expire permit to stay. I can't say okay. Because after I make that video, many people, you know, say they say person will not get money, don't wait see sabi do book, but we go still follow you waka, go still there. So many people will be say they not still donate, but they were calling to tell say they don't get money to donate, but they don't feel go Abuja, go legalize their documents. Say as they waka, they know they to spend money. People begin, they call me, they tell me, they will say they want to direct this brother to somebody. Now I tell and say, this brother already get somebody because I asked, I say get somebody. I can say okay. You know how to do all these things? He's saying no. I can say okay. Being and saying a matured man with wife and children. And not if they tell and say you must go here or you must go there or I must bring person when go do this thing for you. I feel say he know everything way he want to do. And besides that, the brother will introduce her to me. He know somebody for Abuja. He still give her the person number. I say if you reach Abuja, still try to call this person. This person will assist you. And so that one tell me too. I can say okay. So there's 2 particular brother when he don't do this thing. They not ask of his number. They send me voice record. How you go take go Abuja, how you go take go the office, how you go take waka and everything for there. Say that day they go do for us. Say no they had now. So they take 2 different voice record. I forward these 2 different voice records to her. I don't want to play now because this story go long. I can forward the 2 different voice records for her. Say listen to this voice record. I don't listen. They very interested. They say if you want come on, you come out on Sunday. I mean, make sure say now Bijo motor you enter. Not enter any other motor because Bijo Park they very close to the office when therefore they do this legalization. And tell the Bijo driver that is they explain what the people, the 2 people now they almost the same thing they send for voice records come for me. I can say send the voice record for her. I can see call her one on one. They explain all this one to her and say make sure say you enter Bijo and you tell Bijo driver say see where you dey go. You go point out for you. They say no far for there and Bijo driver go fit even tell you where you pass the night because you know if you come that day. If you go on Sunday, you sleep early in the morning. You don't start to do the waka before evening. You don't finish the waka. If you sleep, then the next day you dey come back. You can say okay. Now say I beg. So now I can give her 150,000 naira. I can say may he hold this money for hand, make he enter Bijo. Say anyhow you waka, if you come may explain to me. He can say okay. Then he can say tell me say he landlord when they did together for Italy, still even give her 30,000 naira. Now 180,000 na a day with her. I can say okay, no problem. Anyhow you waka, mo see as things go be. He can say okay. The time we take give her the money was on Thursday, a day to Good Friday. So now you can tell me say he not go fit travel because he don't listen to the voice record. Now on Sunday he go like to come out and on Sunday na Easter. On Monday na Easter Monday they feel not open that he go wait the other next week he go go. I cut say okay. Anyone you make cash you go. If you feel say that on Sunday too long or too far, you want go on normal days, it's okay. If you want still wait till next Sunday before you go, it's okay. You can say okay, you go wait till next Sunday. I can say okay, no problem. May you keep the money well. Anyhow I can let me know. You can say okay. So really, on Saturday of it, that is after Easter, the past Saturday, he can send me voice record. He can say he go still go on Sunday. I can say okay. I can say safe journey. Now true voice record we take talk everything day our conversation, but I don't want to play now because say this video will come too long. So That was Sunday. I believe say he can't go. Then I not hear from her throughout Sunday. On Monday too, I not hear from her. So when I say I not hear from her, I can't call a number. That was on Monday evening, as about 6 in the evening. Me ask and say, how you waka? Then the wife can't pick. I first call, nobody pick. Then later, the second time the wife pick. The wife can't tell me, say, leave this phone. That phone you carry follow. But you know, say, when I don't hear from her, he say, yes, say, it's everything they okay. I can't say, okay, thank God. Now say, if you call on again, tell her, say, me, try me, he reach me, or if there is anything where we'll feed the wife, can say, okay, no problem. Then I not hear from her. It can't do on Tuesday. I can't wait till I not hear from her. Because that day, in short, now people when they close to me, they don't really know what happened to me that on Tuesday. I never get chance to even open my phone or even touch my phone. I never near phone at all. That on Tuesday was a very terrible day for me. So later in the evening, I never quick go bed. I want even go bed as about after 11 to 12. Now I can hold my phone. Now I say, I just check. Now I can see a voice record. Now I say, this guy really go Abuja. He don't send me voice record. Okay. I was so tired that day because like I said before, a terrible day for me. I was so tired. So I just gonna see a voice record and so many other voice record for there. But I quickly click him on because I was expecting to hear something from him. As I click him, he dropped a very long voice record for me, of which I will play only that one for here now. So I can't just click and lay down for bed. I can't hear they talk, they come. It dey me though. The thing can they do me one kind for a year. I say, what did they happen? Me, I play the voice record. Then I will explain to what people we know the year Benin because Benin speak.
Kada, butter. Them already buy oyster. So when we on Sunday, me travel one Sunday, so on Monday, me try to locate our office in here when you are ready for the legalizing. Understand? So I brother pan mabala moto siana ma lele. Abi moto ni wabe blow direct. Ma de la be pijo, cause pijo gambe. Direct ni bana, abi ani be more long direct. Abi cheap. Abi brother pa ma sande me. So Abuja we do you know. Mana wa agwa kia. Ma sande me. So my bawa mana wa do familiar to Abuja. Ma sande me. Uta Abuja wa be any kiri de uta ma be ya se so do. And I do no na no now. To be anything about document. A document and I travel. Don't have expire. Don't be any idea. In a year on the head, my would be very only about Abuja. It's my first time. Allow when I get where near day. If I ask a question, people will direct me. So on our way, being to our name of Abuja, Bible, Bible see your food. Would be your legalize with thoroughly document your secure one. And I will need agent in the agent, we need form of agent in you. Now, my office in Nayana in Lily, my son, and the next, which is on Monday morning, a pack of my baby. Understanding, so many people were very busy in the week. My son, so this is now the office in a would be very only. Or if there is any other office in Yanari where they will direct person. So brother Naiwabi help me. I do work with that semi Yoma. So God will really bless that man. He really try his best for me in the Abuja. Understanding me? So the office in Yekili would be a visit of honor. Mana Gilana document Naya, Massa de Rena way, not of any Mara Sunday. So, sister Nawama, but I am confirm office near suspecting and I will be Abe baby and I be no expire na Sunday. So now the document confirm the call. Sunday and I will kill my day. And I do feel being in the Sunday. I will be man. You know, was suspending me and said, why be happy, man? Sunday, marry me go video. They 1 hour, even I know more than one way. Well, no. A daily travel is very important to me. And every important to him. What I said, he bear anyway stress. Or you know what abandon again on our when he help him so that yeah, true ne you quick go back to his so again log on how. So my girl they say na do es na we don't ne na work ni feeling ne awe be na do feel ne awe passport me document me awe be ni yam ticket be afa masande me so na do feel my Sunday me. The sister the woman no be attending from Benue, we Benue understand me. So we Benue be bono sunu yite. So ona vi been ari do mosque o do more than almost because almost work almost 30 minutes. And here we are understand me. So there is nothing they can do that or gagging or check it in affair Sunday. We understand. If America, I know a sorry fair go near Abuja for the legalizing. I don't know how they are doing their all I know when I expired, you go to the embassy, ask them a question. You know the whole procedure no allow they will talk to you. And I do in a way. Understanding there was nothing like a letter. Okay, the letter now the Abuja social office then we are paid to you. So I don't understanding. And I went down to explain my way when you can the entry visa me. Another kind whether something June July so. But the money we afford the ticket was so very high. The entry visa and another way but okay, that is the reason why Yamana Zayo Mary. That a direct visa. Ona wujambo e pass we beze you Sunday except what we could talk with another fresh paper. Another fresh paper we order for another new visa. Sunday. So now they're supposed to explain everything to me in the embassy instead of referring me to Abuja. Because you want quite right why explaining me after mommy. Imela vie, Marasina, you have the not loud. If there is any way, no answer I will not help you. Let him be my second God, not loud. As I don't near the the only thing that we do, Master. So as far where no balancing and no one every big do. Why no my since Onima accepted the document where this is what they are going to do, they are not even talking of money now. They are just helping me to be suggesting solution getting me out through. The only thing I will do, they only accept. Well, okay, this is what they are going to do. It's question of where a document may have a drop here. He and confirm the embassy all the necessary work they are going to do their Abuja, then we do everything. Then they will call me when to come. So now the only thing here through their embassy image, you have first a document in Kenya with their own letter and then we ask them a question. The reason why refer a Bemini there Abuja. So now, but what she understand that a re-entry visa no expiring, hardly they will give me another visa. Except where maybe where the owner women I will just start from beginning. Even I will not work with the Kuto where a BFFF where I'm fighting for another visa. And where you re-entry visa, direct visa. And now that he was suggest on her own. Let she confirm first. We will help you to confirm. Confirm me. I fancy being here through their image through internet. So on the scenes. Any another a document in a woman in another photo starting a one Sunday. So another photo through that photo starting in Bana here fancy the whole document here with letter. So now because embassy in a reply Mother Sunday near little within the 25-26 yeah reply here embassy where Abuja them call me I should drop my phone number but I asked them for their whole phone number and we are phone number now because here I have phone number now many people been calling me disturbing Mother Sunday they already collect S number Mother Sunday. So on our way, surely before that 25-26, then will call me either to come or not to come. Understanding? I'm even since yesterday. I'm up and around. So I was so very, I don't even know what to say. Understanding. So, and I when you allow, I am saying allow. Document in my way, time, my way, in my committed news and be Europe, Italy, Masani. I'm well known, the state in Nigeria. Everybody know me. Understanding. Allow. I'm a family man. Even when I'm in Nigeria, but to Tony Banner, you make it now, baby, also to street level. I am marriage. However, that side is more better than Nigeria. Ni allow. And human way is no, you know my pain. Don't worry, Master Deme. That he just want to try and best. That when your guy will open banner. So where embassy, they just refer me back. No letter, nothing. Master Deme. So there is no important reason where this is what happened. Please, you people should assist this guy before we complete our whole work here for him to leave the country and go back to Europe. So I don't know. So even said before you tell the man you did 3 o'clock because many people were there. Even before we even go there, many even Kemaka Wari or Yenny before I could refer Maria another place. Before we get there, there was people near me, doing different things. So before I could say my money could do true lemon away. You take easy, Master, mammy, and I am there. Master, so you focus. So on the six, people said the man, you know what? I'm can you have me a phone number. Very good man, we do one. No, man can have me a phone number because he may confuse me. Why now my two name number? I mean, on number me why because you worry me. Master different another matter can you hold me? Understand? So other things, yeah. In fact, so well, there is no problem, sir. There is no problem. No. Before even Tani, they were meted like Monte night journey now. One Sunday. Color when I may finish email, may win mail like Monte do now. I don't know. It said, oh, gas me here. I do why I have Vignati. A mother now, the better. Michael one by the KP, we are a parking. I'm going to get your man. So, I want to then I'll be to day 6 Lamoto. So, even me, I receive now, what if you want Gawa, my son, we are maybe higher. I wear my questions, me way up Sunday. The bomb me, I will married to. As a man, I must need to cross mind. I want no sister. What's say someone of them? Someone of them. What's say? What's say sister? What's say? and even Temena. Okay, see me young one, Johnny now. You must say me young one here. But yeah, and the message in the banner. One game is said to know. Mara Sand. The man getting a Nigeria, I for not come. I'm just regretting what make me come back to Nigeria. Here I go and road good or bad. Here I go and strong go quality. Dave Savannah the West in we won't buy. I don't know what to say. I want to master my dwelling. I want to read Tiana. Well, God know the best. The one who can fit on Bima, Saddle Bar, no girl women, no good down. Why, yes, see. Because no tomorrow, my man did not go out way. I want no sister. I say, when you get one, when you explain my way, my son, 20 years we are calling me. I dropped my phone number, and then all my document, the photo start, everything. My son, so all those things. The standing we are to someone verify your fast document me and letter. We are before. Normally I wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Italian will leave me Italian embassy. We reply. Understanding. So I they supposed to just clear me everything in the embassy, whether they are going to issue re-entry visa for me or whatever. What they're supposed to clear me. They want any wajibo. Master, the day we go and start a document fresh or what? They clear me everything. Any other fair mean that to Abuja, not letter, nothing. Understanding. Coming to do what? Hey, that woman was so very angry. Understanding. I went in and I mean direct phone number here. Because through image, internet, and go on. Understanding. For just call them immediately. Understanding. So I bet. However, I try best. Understanding. Coista, come out here, Coista.
Okay, my people, this record when she in place, so he say as he enter road that on Sunday morning, you can't see one car whether they call on a car or 7-seater or so, where they call Sienna. He say just dey along the road, he just a load they go for road, so he not can go big Joe again, go enter as we tell and say make he enter. He can't go enter along the road motor when they go Abuja. He say they say for 4,000. He say because big Joe motor they say it too dear. Now therefore enter say come see one man for them at the same place they sleep. Then the market say want go do document for house. Now they go do. He can say one legalize permit to stay. Now the market tell him may follow and go where he for go do document for house. And so it follow the man reach there. Now the market say maybe those people go the office do permit to stay. So as they come reach there, the office where the man want for do the document for house, see of vote and all those things they say that they do. He say now there now the man come say they tell the lady when he did the office come say see this man na permit to stay. Now he wants to do. Now the lady come say make he bring her come, he can't carry a permit to stay, can't give this lady. And so this lady can't go control. Now what he talk for Benin, they try to explain for people who know the year Benin. So the lady they can't go control. They can't say which paper embassy carry for. They can't say they not put paper. They can't say but they're supposed to put paper. Now say the lady can't take the document go up, go meet Oga for up. Now those one can't tell and say they'll do like this. Now so they'll do they'll photocopy the document. Before on the 25 or on the 20 something of that April, which is last month when it go, they'll call her the one write to Italian embassy about the document. They can't say make they give her their number. They can't say no, they want to give person their number, make him bring the number come. He can't give her number. As I know they hear all this story, my people. Meanwhile, even say I tired that very day, that on Tuesday, my belly begin they turn me. Immediately now I call her that midnight. Around almost 12, he pick. Now say, where you dey? He say, dey Benin. Which time you take Richards? He say Richards around that kind C7 that evening. I say, now he send me voice record. Then because they say, now for one of people you go meet to. where your permit to stay. He say permit to stay there with you. Now say go and check inside your bag whether your permit to stay still there with you. You sure say they give you? When you go that place, when you no enter Big Joe, when you do like this, I come they try to they shout. I come say, I don't know, say you don't know anything like this, because you dey talk to me as if say you know what you want. That's why I don't want to they tell you say okay you must go here, you must go there, because you be mature man. So me not come be like say because say we support you for money, we come say they want to they control you. That make me just leave you say since you come say see what you want. I believe say you really know what you want. Which kind of story be all this one now? So I was just trying to talk to her. Say, you sure say your dog? He say document there with her. He say document there with her. They no collect her. Now say, well, you don't come back. Thank God say your document there with you. Tomorrow I will talk to you. They don't dark because me self I just tired now, so I just dropped the phone. I can't sleep. Then the next day on Wednesday, I can't call somebody when I know all these people when they do agent of visa matter. I can't call one brother when I know. I can't explain the whole situation for her. So I can't explain to the brother say this brother he no get money. Now friends now they want donate money to make sure say he come back. He document expire and the time when they say give him the entry visa, it can't expire because he no see money to buy ticket. The brother come dey shout now say abeg how you fit take help this man? This man need them. So then the brother come say okay wetin they will do? He can't tell me wetin they will do. I can't say okay no problem I will get back to her. So that Wednesday morning I can't dey call this brother. He no gree pick. I call. He no gree pick. In the afternoon I call again. My wife pick. Now say where your husband? He say your husband come up for house early in the morning. Then he say come up for house. I say no be small quarrel. Then they quarrel for house. They talk. She just wear shirt come up for her. Now say where you can't go? Now say maybe because of the Abuja waka when you waka everything get as it be na make. And now say may know the shout for your husband because they advise the woman. He say no the shout for her. He understand. Now even they do everything since now it's okay. Where then I say no where I did. Now say ask I'll tell Richard. Now he go give me another number when he carry follow body which is MTN Nigeria number. I call that number. This brother no pick. I call. The brother no pick. He can't day the night. I can't call the brother again. He no pick. I can't call the wife again. I say your husband no the great pick. He say no. But I say no be small quarrel that they quarrel for house. So then the next day come be on Thursday. I try again. I call. He no serious. Meanwhile the brother when me call for visa matter, that one self. He don't even they call me say the matter he not come hear from me again. Now say the person will want to do something I never hear from and that make me never call you. You can say okay. I say me just wait. If I don't feel hear from the brother, I will talk to her. He can say okay. Because the brother can't be the tell and say make he bring the re-entry visa come. Say he go fit help her with the re-entry visa. I can say okay. So he come there on Friday. I call. You know, I can't call the woman again. I can say I don't know why your husband no dey gree pick my call. Now say because I don't know why. What did they happen? He say no. So me self I can't tire. Say person when me they try to help. I don't they call. I no gree pick my call again. What did they happen now? And then I can't tell the wife. I can't call the brother when he introduce him to me. Now say this your brother. See you. Then he can't tell me say okay. You go try to reach out. That one even does tell me say no fit still reach am. So let me come tell that one and his wife. I come now say I don't know see one worker since he no need help because now who they find something here they long pass. As if you say they dodge me for phone, I don't know why they dodge me for phone. For that reason, the remaining money where he dey with me, I want make video. They tell people make they bring their accounts come me. I pay their money back because I don't get what they use person money they do. Now dear, now I can say after I drop that message, you know tell. Now say you can send me message because the brother when even introduce to me, don't they verse even put his wife for line. They even they quarrel with his wife. Say why your husband go they do like this after they don't give him 150,000. Why he go Abuja? He so the thing I may say go Abuja. Why no enter BJ where they say me enter? He even give him number to call for Abuja. Why he not call the number? He can't they come? Maybe that one for fee help her, no. That one call the chat. Now me even can they cool down and say make that one no chat again. So later now say he can drop message. He say immediately when me call at that midnight when he come from Abuja, say whether a document still there with him. Now he can say me go check because he know say document there with him. Say I still go check. He not can see document again. he no know as document take waka. I say because when he reach there for Abuja, those people photocopy the document, they give am the original one, but he no know why he no come for now reach Benin. I say, so you mean say your document don lost? He say document don lost. Permit to stay when e expire, e don lost. I say, how you wan do this one now? The thing come tell him now. It's okay, wetin come dey with you now? He say the carta d'identité lost, permit to stay lost. Now say, why buy your Nigeria passport? He say Nigeria passport still dey with am. Now say, how you wan do this one now? Me sef come weak. I come call that brother for the visa matter again. I come say, see he say the paper don lost. So now the brother come say no problem whether I get the photocopy. Now say I don't know whether I get the photocopy, but me no worry, me get the photocopy of the document, because the time I wan first do his story that first time, come say me send me a permit to stay and a passport, so that I go really see and say he really come from Italy and he get permit to stay. Now say they dey with me, say me fit forward that one to am for WhatsApp, he go print and come out as the photocopy. Say but the original don lost. The brother say okay, no problem, since that one dey. Then the brother come tell me say me I tell am make screenshot the re-entry visa wey they give am for passport, make he bring am come. Now call am screenshot the re-entry visa wey they give you that time when you take us say you no see money take buy tickets. The entry visa when Italian people give you, Italian embassy give you, screenshot the re-entry visa, then send that to me. I send that to the brother. I don't see somebody wey go help you. I be get somebody wey go help, but I no wan just disturb you because you already know wetin you find and money be your problem. Now say now me know say you don't know wetin you really want. Me go involve person wey go help you do all these things, because people wey pay money, they must see the result of wetin they pay their money for. Then got to say the re-entry visa no dey with am. Now say where re-entry visa? Not be passport that they come and put. He say they not come out for passport, they give am for hands, and when e expire, when no come see money take buy ticket, he can't go back to Italian embassy. He can't give them they can't say make him bring the re-entry visa. He can't give, they say it be like card, they can't take am for his hands, they not give am again. I say I don't understand, because me I don't pass through all this process. I don't know as it really be. Una wey know as it be, una will see drop una comment for there to say whether na so they be. I don't know. Say na so that they do. I say re-entry visa where they give people, they not go man for passport. So I can't call the agent man again, say see what he talk with. Say the re-entry visa, they not go man for passport. Say they just give am for hand. I see go back, what they say me they renew because they know say money take buy ticket that time. They collect am for him. That the agent come tell me say, if I say this man they lie, say because re-entry visa, they know they give person for hand, they must put am for inside your passport. If I thought say they revoke am, that they get the way they say they strike am. Say they know they pull am comot for passport and they know they give person for hand. He said, which means may I ask this man, maybe this man know they tell me truth. Now wetin he tell me that time. I can't try to call this man for some time. The man no pick, though I don't blame him for that one, because sometimes Nigeria know they get network. So now I can drop voice message for him. Now when he come me say the plan wey they take donate money for him, he don't change am. Say he no go with that plan again. Now I say why? Now say because you come say you need money to take buy ticket, to take new re-entry visa, to take legalize your documents, to take new entry visa. But why you can't change everything now? So you can't give me a reason. So the reason why you give me, I can't say this one, he heavy me for matter, because me, I like to be transparent, because I know say to get money, it's not easy. So I know if you can't just tell people, say, that's what we just do, we don't change plan, and not be what I expect when I won't come the year now. Me, I know if you do that kind of thing. Let make me do this short video. I know say this short video is long, but sorry for the delay, but I really need to say all these things so that you guys go understand how far we don't go. So me, I can't tell and say, me must tell people when donate this money, they will call you on Sunday, you will come talk, wetin make you change this plan now. He's saying will come on Sunday by the special grace of God, this very Sunday, tomorrow, by between 6:37 European time. He will come talk, wetin make am change everything. So my brothers and sisters, when you go watch this video, please, I want Mona join us on Sunday by the special grace of God. Mona hear from him mouth, wetin make am change everything, so that una go see talk whether e dey okay or e no dey okay, especially people wey donate. Una call me that on Sunday. I go talk how much we receive and how much each person pay, and each country where that money from come. And we announce everything by the special grace of God on Sunday. So una join us, una hear the changes wey dey for this brother matter. So I go leave this matter for you because this video is already long. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, anyone you call me, I dey there for you. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, please consider to hit the red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. For this our channel now, Tori, now we dey talk, and now Pidgin English we take dey talk. And again, we are not here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to help someone today. I beg una share this video so that we will decide once and for all about this matter. Thank you and God bless you all. And ciao. I beg una let me share this video so that people when donate money may reach their hand, may they call in, may they talk as we want to do their money. Thank you and God bless you.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T.